So this first game app that we're going to be looking at today is called Arithmetic. It is a flashcard game that you can use get your flashcards digitally here. And so we'll go ahead and open it up here. It's a great app to be using on the iPad, obviously. And uh, and so first of all, we'll start out here in this easy mode, and we'll go ahead and select just addition. So you have your home page here, your menu. And so these are the different things you can do here. You have your difficulties on the left here, and obviously your different things you can do: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division here on the right. And so we'll go ahead and start the app, and oh, there we go. Okay, we'll go ahead and resume it here. And so this first problem here, we're gonna have 5 plus 3, and so you'll go on the bottom here. You'll see the problem on the chalkboard. Down on the bottom is your different answers you can select. 4 plus 1. So we'll go ahead and click 5 down here. So that is the addition part of that. And it'll continue to flash numbers up here continuously until you end it. And so this is just basically a practice mode. So we'll go back to menu, and you can put in subtraction. So well, now we have addition and subtraction checked. We'll go start. So we'll get an addition problem here. 4 plus 4, go down to the bottom and get the answer. 3 plus 2 on the chalkboard, go down to the bottom, find the answer. 4 plus 3, go down to the bottom, find the answer. Now we get a subtraction problem as well. So I have 3 minus 1 down here at the bottom, you can find the answer. And so it'll continue to flash not only subtraction, but also addition during this one. So we'll go to menu. Now we'll add in multiplication. Okay, so we'll hit start here. Now we have different problems that'll flash. So we get our addition problem here. Go down to the bottom, find the answer. Here we have subtraction on the chalkboard. Another subtraction here. Now we get our multiplication problem as well. So now we have 3 different properties that we're using here. Okay, so we'll go back to menu here. Now we'll look at division. Alrighty. Sorry about that. We'll get here on division. So now we have all 4 of these checked: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. So now we have a multiplication problem here. 5 times 3, which is 15. So we'll select the 1 and the 5. Okay. 5 minus 4 is 1. Get our 2 plus 1. Select the 1 and the 0. Somewhere we're going to get a division problem here. Maybe. There we get one. There's a division problem now that we get. So it'll flash up a division one, and then it'll go back to subtraction. So that is the practice mode here, and that is all on easy mode. But now we're going to go into the quiz mode that we have. So the quiz mode is really nice to be using as well. And so we'll look at the quiz mode here. It's on easy. All 4 properties are checked. So on the quiz mode, it is timed, and you'll get a score. So we'll go ahead and get into it. These apples down here are the time. So you can tell that they are slowly disappearing. So we'll go ahead and answer 5 times 4, which is 20. And you see that an additional apple appears over here once you select the problem. So you get that much more time to continue on. So they continuously disappear. Up in the top left corner is the current score. Right below it is your all-time score, your top score that you have on this game. Okay, so you'll continue to answer questions here, and as the time dissipates, so does the apples here, and so that's how you can kind of gauge where you're at. So there's another. We'll get a correct answer. An apple appears, and so we'll go ahead and let time expire here just for the sake of the app here to show you what happens. And their time should expire. So there it shows the game's over, gives you your score. You hit play again, it'll take you back to the home page here. And we will go here into the Einstein mode just to show you that it does give you pretty difficult problems here as well. And so this app can really be used not only for youngsters, but it can also be for a little bit older kids who are working on maybe long division or multiplying 2-digit numbers and stuff like that. And so this is a great app. Again, it's called Arithmetic, and it's trying to get those flashcards off of paper and get them digital.